Hi, my name is Greg Palya. I'm with the West Roofing Systems, and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. Today I want to talk about spray foam roofs and warranties. And we really developed this video and this blog post because there's a bunch of warranties out there. You're going to spend a bunch of money on a roof. You're going to want a warranty when something goes wrong, something happens covered. But there's different options and it's kind of confusing. So I wanted to create this real quick to kind of show you, what options you got. And the first thing is you can get your warranty through a roofing contractor or the product manufacturer. And then depending on where you want your warranty to come from, there's two options with these two. And here you can get a material only warranty or a full system warranty. I'll just do it like that. And same with through the product manufacturer. So material warranty or material only and a full system warranty. And the main difference is, material only, just how it says the material is going to perform for the length of time and how it's designed to perform, and any defects in the product will be covered. Doesn't include labor, and which is what the full system warranty is. It covers material, labor, as long as it's not damage caused by a third-party application, such as like a tornado or another contractor came up and ruined it. They're on the hook for that. So just want to get that straight out there. So there's really four options out there. Go through the cost real quick. So these ones, it's fairly cheap, very little, zero to very little. Just they're giving you a product and they say it's going to work how it is. That's just how it is, and you don't have to pay extra for that, really. Full system warranty through a roofing contractor, between 4 and 8 cents a square foot, and through the product manufacturer is 8 to 15 cents a square foot. Most roofing contractors will push you towards getting your warranty through their product manufacturer, because they want to do the roof and they just want to be done with it and not be on the hook when something goes wrong. But here at West, we want the warranty. We're doing the roof. We're going to be married to it for the next 10, 20, 30 years. And if something goes wrong, it's easy just to give us a call. We'll be out there to fix it very quickly, and then we'll take care of all the paperwork on the back end. So that's the biggest difference with time. If you go through these guys, then they're going to go through the roofing guy. They're going to let it sit there, and then finally the roofer's going to get out there and the paper goes this and that. It's just way more time involved. You can cut out the middleman by getting the warranty through a roofing contractor. So there's more detail in the blog post at the bottom there, but I just wanted to go through the four options real quick, and so you can choose the best one for your roof. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.